This is a brand new 2014 Kia Optima. It has a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a voice-activated navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, voice activation technology, a sunroof, a speed-sensitive volume control system, a low-tire pressure indicator, Kia Yuvo e-services, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, a sports-tuned suspension, traction control and stability control systems, chrome wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, a first aid kit, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.